Hey, the blank canvas looks empty now, but it'll become full later. Here's the reference. A rainbow apple. Cute, right? I used this brush, the Watercolor Bleed, with the soft watercolor bleed effect. Starting with a quick sketch, just blocking out the apple and those jelly drips, does not need to be perfect. Think of it as doodling with a plan. I'm adding the base colors on a new layer. That way, I can hide the sketch anytime. Isn't that awesome? Like a disappearing act for messy lines. Poof, gone. I'm using the smudge tool to soften color edges. I also change it to blurring brush. Here's the blurring tool itself. Using the color picker now. It's like stealing colors from myself. But hey, it keeps things consistent. Alright, now I'm starting the rendering, blending, picking colors, polishing details. I'll stop talking for a bit and let you just enjoy watching. But don't worry, I'll be back again. Here I am, trying to do the dripping effect. I think this drop alone took me 30 minutes to render. It took me a total of 8 hours. Imagine 8 hours to draw this, but it's not like 8 hours straight. I can't believe I was still able to finish this, because it's really hard to use the tablet. By the way, I used the Honor Pad and Ibis Paint app in drawing this apple. Anyway, going back, it's really hard to draw this, because I can't draw with my hand pressed against the screen. Every time I do that, it's causing the screen to zoom or draw a line, since I am using the free version of the Ibis Paint X app, and I'm also just using a cheap pen. So I had to zoom in and zoom out the screen, and draw along the edge of the tablet. I use my right hand to zoom in or zoom out the screen, rotate, and to move the canvas while I draw with my left hand, which helped me complete this drawing. I had a blast creating this piece. It's my very first attempt at digital drawing. I've made other videos before, but this is the first one where I really focused on adding details to make it look realistic. In this particular segment, you can observe me going over and over specific areas within the drawing, ensuring that I add dimensions to the necessary areas. If you managed to stay until this particular point in the video, a huge thank you. Additionally, please continue watching until the end in order to witness the final outcome. Remember, if you find the content of this video entertaining, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content to enjoy. You can also like and share this video. Also, I would love to hear your thoughts. What should I draw next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Actually, someone already suggested that I draw strawberries next, in my other shorts video. Shout out to Hi-I17. I am also thinking of doing a charcoal portrait, or charcoal painting. At the course of this video, you can see the colors starting to blend now. It's like the apple is taking its form. This is all about patience. 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 How many times did I say that? Well, just layering colors and smoothing until it feels right. By the way, editing this video took me hours. when painting it, but I think it's worth it to make everything smooth and fun to watch. I'm still new at this, so it's practice, practice, practice to get better. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? That's what makes it fun. Also, a fun fact, I'm not actually using my own voice here. I don't really like how it sounds, so I used CapCut's text-to-speech feature instead. Pretty cool, right? Okay, now I'm softening those edges even more. Honestly, this stage feels like arguing with myself, because I keep on adjusting the colors, using blending tools, and of course, erasing. Alright, I'll let you get back to your viewing now. But don't worry, I'll be back soon. I hope you're not feeling bored right now. Hey, I am back. We're almost at the fun part. The drips are coming soon. Think of this as the calm before the rainbow jelly storm. Hee hee hee. By the way, you can check the description below for the tools I have used, the brushes I used in drawing this apple. Here's a speed painting of the apple, where I include all the extra details, like the drips. Here, I'm drawing the little drip drops. They're like sprinkles, but for jelly. And here's the blob of drip, chunky gooey, like jelly sliding down in slow motion. We're almost there. Here I am just refining the details of the apple. You will see the result in a bit now. Thank you for staying until the end. I hope you enjoyed watching this process. I decided to remove the leaf from the apple. Sorry, leaf, you didn't make the cut. The apple looks cleaner without you. And here's the final result, from the reference to my finished drawing. I love how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.